In this video, we will be demonstrating how to properly mix installation solutions when installing 3M paint protection film. Make sure to review and follow the basic videos related to vehicle prep, solution mixtures, and trimming techniques. Installation solution mixtures are the foundation of the entire installation process, so accurate measurements are essential for a successful installation. If you ever need to troubleshoot an issue with an installation, the first place to start is with your solutions. Important points to remember. Clearly label your bottles with the installation solution. Always empty and rinse spray bottles when finished with an installation. Remix new solutions every time you start a new installation. When mixing new solutions, always use the labeled bottle for the same type of solution. Cross-contamination will compromise the effectiveness of the solution. The main things we will be covering in this video are types of solutions, why solutions are needed, what each solution is used for, solution contents, mixture proportions, mixing procedure, and best practices. Items you will need for installing paint protection film are isopropyl alcohol, 70% alcohol by volume, Johnson's baby shampoo, 5 milliliter measuring or dosing syringe. Distilled or filtered water is recommended. Tap water may be used, however, with a high variability of water quality, filtered or distilled water is recommended when and if tap water quality is low. The installation solutions we will be discussing today are slip or soap solution, tack or alcohol solution, all-in-one solution, paint protection film installation gel. First, we will discuss the importance of installation solutions. Paint protection film is a specialized film engineered to have a nearly invisible final appearance. To achieve this, a wet application is required. Wet application allows for longer work time with the adhesive, the ability to position, lift and reapply the film, and a bubble-free appearance. In addition, each solution provides the installer with control over what the adhesive is doing at any given time, such as lowering or increasing the level of adhesion as needed. The slip solution is designed to temporarily prevent the adhesive from bonding to the application surface and allows the installer to position and work the film into place. The procedure for mixing the slip solution is as follows. Fill a clean 950 milliliter or 32 ounce spray bottle with water. Pull 2 milliliters or 6 drops of Johnson's baby shampoo into a dosing syringe. Push entire contents of syringe into bottle. Tightly fasten the bottle head onto the bottle. Gently swirl the bottle and then slowly turn bottle upside down and right side up 4 or 5 times until the solution is mixed. Do not shake. Adjust the soap solution according to the indoor temperature. Use this chart as a guideline when mixing your soap and water solution. The tack solution is used to hold the film in position. By rinsing away any slip solution and mildly activating the adhesive with the tack solution, the adhesive will stick aggressively where desired. The procedure for mixing tack solution is as follows. Using a clean 950 milliliter or 32 ounce spray bottle, pour in 240 milliliters or 8 ounces of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Pour 710 milliliters or 24 ounces of water into the bottle. Tightly fasten the bottle head onto the bottle. Gently swirl the bottle and then slowly turn bottle upside down and right side up 4 or 5 times until the solution is mixed. Do not shake. Some installers like to use the all-in-one solution, which is a combination of the slip and tack solutions. This allows for a faster tacking slip solution. The procedure for mixing all-in-one solution is as follows. Using a clean 950 milliliter or 32 ounce spray bottle, pour in 240 milliliters or 8 ounces of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Pour 710 milliliters or 24 ounces of water into the bottle. Pull 3.5 milliliters or 10 drops of Johnson's baby shampoo into a dosing syringe. Push entire contents of syringe into bottle. Tightly fasten the spray bottle head onto the bottle. Gently swirl the bottle and then slowly turn bottle upside down and right side up 4 or 5 times until the solution is mixed. Do not shake. 3M Paint Protection Film Gel is a viscous material that can be used in place of or with a slip solution. Like a slip solution, it helps prevent the film from tacking and allows more work time to position and reposition the film. The advantage of gel is that it will not evaporate as quickly as slip solution and is ideal for large application areas and hot weather installations.